Manufacturing is power. The power that drives our economy, defines our past, fuels our future. We make the things that run the world. Robot welders, jet engines, turbines, ventilators, cars. But the future is coming fast.
Now's the time to reinvent our industry, to transform the way we work, to innovate.
We're going to lead the world in smart manufacturing, transform our factories with technology, invent products that change lives and save them, create thousands of high-tech jobs.
It changed my life in a whole different way because I can actually sit back now and say, hey, if I want this, I can go and get it.
Together, we have the power to change our future, to make manufacturing better. And it all starts here.